February is National Cherry Month, and I wouldn't tell a lie. I have some beautiful bright red ruby cherries that I'm going to make a special little cherry peekaboo bar that would just be perfect for a little patriotic celebration on President's Day, which is just around the corner. The first thing I did was cream 1 cup of butter, half a pound, that's right, 1 whole cup of butter. I added 1.5 cups of sugar just very gradually. I beat in 4 eggs, and I always like to crack my eggs one at a time into a little dish before I put them into my bowl. That way I can prevent getting any little pieces of eggshell into my batter. I added about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 2 cups of flour, and then I was ready to spread that dough into a jelly roll pan, which is probably about 10 or 11 by 15-inch pan. It's greased and floured, and I spread my batter into the pan, and then I just took a knife, and you can see where I scored the dough so I could see where my bars would be, and I cut this to make 20 bars in this pan. And then after I had it scored, I could see where I wanted to drop my cherry pie filling. And so you can see that I put about a tablespoon of cherry pie filling on each bar. And once I have each bar covered with a little bit of cherry pie filling, they're ready to pop into a 350-degree oven. And then you wind up with these beautiful little cherry peekaboo bars. Now these bars I actually sprinkled with powdered sugar while they were still warm in the pan. I let them cool in the pan, and then I cut my 20 bars, and I've got them on a nice little platter. So how about celebrating President's Day with some bright red ruby cherries? And remember, you can get this recipe if you go to www.lakelandptv.org. You can find the recipes there. I'm Sue Doeden, and now we're cooking.